Your wants and desires will be based on the company you speak. It's as simple as that. Why in our culture satsang was so important? So that we could be inspired. We could think differently. We could want differently. Because you have to understand, human beings, we are simple creatures. We don't have any wants. We get our wants by looking at each other. For 1,000,000 years, Himalaya stood tall. Nobody cared. Then Tenzing Norway, Edmund Hillary climbed. Everybody want to climb. Yes, no? क्यों? क्योंकि वो चढ़ के नीचे आया, उसने कहा मैं तो चढ़ा, लोगों ने सेलिब्रेट किया, तो जो सेलिब्रेट नहीं हो रहा था उसको लगा मैं चढ़ जाऊं तो शायद मेरी बीवी भी प्यार करेगी, शायद मेरा बच्चा भी बोलेगा पापा यू आर ग्रेट, जैसे एडमंड हिलरी का कह रहा है तो मैं भी चढ़ूंगा. किलिमंजारो मस्ट हैव बीन हियर. कोई गधा चढ़ गया. और ये हमेशा गोरे ही चढ़ते हैं. हम देसी अच्छे हैं, हमें चढ़ने के लिए भगवती का मंदिर चाहिए. मोटिवेशन तो हो. ये गोरों ने गेम खराब किया है. बिना मंदिर के चढ़े आते हैं, हमें भी चढ़ना पड़ता है. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, वी लुक एट अदर पीपल and we get our wants, desires, this, that. If Siddhas would have just sat in the Himalayas, not come down, nobody would have cared. But कोई एक नीचे आया, कहा मैं सिद्धा हूं, ऐसे ऐसे करके सोना निकाल दिया. हमने कहा अब हमें भी बनना है. तुम क्या बात कर रहे हो? तुम Amazon प्राइम की तरह सोना निकाल सकता? हमें भी सिद्धि चाहिए, हमें भी शक्ति चाहिए. We want what other people have. And satsang is important because when you are sitting with a divine person, then a divine person starts to inspire you to grow, to evolve, to let go, to show you the power of forgiveness. Kusang is the power of vengeance. Satsang is love. Haji Naji. So when he was sitting with his wife, what did he experience? Sat Sang. And his wife inspired him to look beyond the physical nature of matter, to try. So he started to try. But he started to try through body, not through emotion. He started to push himself to let go. His body wanted fulfillment. But now, because he had gone to satsang and not gone through sadhana, then satsang without sadhana creates guilt. Satsang without sadhana creates what? Guilt, shame. क्यों? क्योंकि अंदर से तो अभी भी आवाज आएगी जब एयर होस्टेस पूछेगी डू यू वांट वाटर और शैंपेन. शरीर क्या बोलेगा? मैडम बोतली खोल. लेकिन सत्संग करके आया हूं, मन क्या बोलेगा? मैडम पानी. और बहुत कठिन है शरीर को मना करना. जाने अनजाने में शैंपेन उठेगी, निपटा भी लोगे. और निपटाने के बाद भीतर से आवाज क्या आएगी? मैं मूर्ख फल कामी. हाँ जी ना जी. Then you look at yourself at a bad light, worse light, you get frustrated, you get agitated. Why? Because the body will want what the body wants. The body will say, go left. The satsang will say, go right. Why? You have done satsang, you have not done sadhana. But the sadhana is important, and Bhagwan Dattatreya said, acceptance. A simple acceptance, you will die. A simple acceptance, this is pointless. And it is. Everything you do, I'm not saying don't do it, it is dharma. But your name will be forgotten. Your house will be dust. So Dattatreya has spoken to you, Parshuram, and what has he said? Soham Hamsa Shiva.